Because most of my training for the technology tools was in an asynchronous format, I chose to use Canvas as a platform to do so. I simply created a page using the sandbox. This is the jumping point for all members and participants of my internship cohort to access any materials that they need. So, for example, this would be the introduction that they had to complete before our very first face-to-face session. There was also a student survey that their students had to complete based on their familiarity with the flipped classroom. And here is where all the tech tools would be accessed. So I simply recorded myself using some of these with very specific directions on how to use it. My expectation was for the staff members to create their own and then to essentially answer questions and conduct some sort of reflection on the process itself so I could get a good idea of how much assistance they needed moving forward. So if we scroll down, we can see the participation occurring here and links to their recordings and what they needed to conduct.